This is the Samsung Galaxy Buds Live unboxing, but as many people call it, the beans, I'll call it the beans in this video. As you can see, there is DPD packaging. Here's the environmentally friendly box that they ship it with. Kinda looks like an Amazon box, and it's not really satisfying because the pull tabs it ripped off. Here is the packaging, says Samsung at the top. And here is the Buds Live, or beans. It looks like the normal Buds Plus packaging or the Galaxy Watch packaging, but it's basically, it looks like every other Samsung product. Cutting open the seal is very satisfying. And here is the actual product. The paperwork fell out easily out of the box, which is surprising because usually it is glued to the top and it's impossible to get out. And here are the beans inside the case. Inside this little box should be the charging cable and the earbuds tips. The USB cable is USB-A to USB-C, not really the USB-C to USB-C in the new Samsung phones. These are the large ear tips, and it kind of reminds me of the Costa coffee logo. And these are the beans inside of the case. The case is very slim and very small, and here are the beans. It's very reflective, just like the Buds Plus, not like the original Galaxy Buds which were matte finish. It is USB Type-C and not micro USB. I mean, for almost £200 I would expect USB-C. This is my first time putting the beans back in this case and I do struggle. And it does snap, kind of like an AirPods case, and it's kind of satisfying. Here are my shaky hands trying to show the back of the beans. Don't mind my shaky hands. It is very reflective, so when you're outside and if it's sunny, it may potentially distract others, but it is very cool looking. I will review the Galaxy beans probably in 2 weeks' time. I'll include stuff like if active noise cancellation is worth it, if the price is worth it, and probably a comparison between the Galaxy Buds Live and the Galaxy Buds Plus, since I have the Plus version as well. See you in 5 years' time.